Keto Cocktails and Karma, coming at you with another keto cocktail. Today we're making smoky old fashions. All right, first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna cut up a little bit of vanilla, drop it in our glass, pit a couple of cherries. These are Mount Rainier cherries right from my tree. Now we're gonna take a couple of shots of Buffalo Trace or whatever bourbon you'd like. Then we're gonna muddle that up, get it all nice and mixed up, really activate that vanilla and pound the hell out of those cherries. Then to add a bit of smoke, we're gonna take an Isla whiskey. I'm using Lagavulin. You can use any kind of Isla whiskey. They're really flavorful, very smoky and very peaty. It's gonna add a lot of smoke to this cocktail. Just a little bit goes a long way. It's about a half an ounce. Then we're gonna put some ice on it, shake it up, get it nice and shooken up there. Then we're gonna get a strainer out, strain this, put it over ice in a chilled glass already, pour that in there. Then next what we're gonna do, we're gonna take a little bit of a lemon peel. We're gonna add some heat to it to activate it, get a little spark on there, rub it on the rim, drop it in the glass, grab our stir stick, we're gonna stir this up, add a couple more whole cherries in there. There you have it, Keto Smoky Old Fashioned.